Put aspirin in your washing machine and see what happens. You need to know this trick. Detergent sellers don't want you to know this. Once you dare to put aspirin in your washing machine, you won't stop doing it and you'll thank me for life. Washing machines seem to have no problems washing colored clothes. But unfortunately, the same doesn't happen with white clothes. Over time, yellow spots appear that are very difficult to remove and make white clothes look dirty and without shine. Many people use chemical products to whiten their clothes, but they wear out the color and fabric of the clothes much faster, and their strong smell can cause irritation and harm to some people. Today, I'll show you 2 quick solutions to whiten your white clothes, especially on the armpit and neck, and using only aspirin. For this trick, we'll need 10 pills. We'll use one for every 500 milliliters of water. The first thing we're going to do is take a bag and put the aspirin inside. With the help of a spoon or any other object you prefer, we're going to crush the aspirins well. We'll do this to make them dissolve faster. I'd like to know which country you're watching me from, so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Elizabeth Moreira from Ecuador. Next, we'll take preheated water and put the aspirins inside until they completely melt. We're going to shake it a little. Once they melt, put the white clothes inside and leave them soaking overnight. The next day, you'll just need to rinse the clothes and hang them. They'll be super white. If you don't like this method, there's another option you should also know. The second method is simple. You just have to take the aspirins and crush them until they dissolve. Then, take them and pour them directly into the washing cycle. This method is faster, but not as effective as soaking the clothes for several hours. Whatever method you choose, the yellow spots are probably a thing of the past. Now that you know this useful laundry trick, you'll be able to wear your favorite clothes in a whiter color than ever before.